Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore how Scrum, a popular project management framework, can be applied for personal excellence and growth. We'll discuss a step-by-step method to apply Scrum principles to enhance personal productivity and achieve your goals. So, let's get started. First, let's understand what Scrum is. Scrum is an agile framework commonly used in software development, but its principles can be adapted to various domains. It emphasizes collaboration, iterative development, and continuous improvement. Now, how can we apply Scrum for personal excellence? Here's a step-by-step method for applying Scrum for personal excellence and growth. Set goals. Begin by setting clear and specific goals that you want to achieve. These goals should be measurable and time-bound. Write them down and keep them visible as a constant reminder of what you're working towards. Create a backlog. Develop a backlog, which is a list of tasks or activities that will contribute to your goals. Break down your goals into actionable items and add them to your backlog. Ensure that each task is small and manageable. Prioritize and plan. Prioritize the tasks in your backlog based on their importance and urgency. Identify the highest priority tasks and plan them for your upcoming sprint, which is a time-bound period where you focus on completing a set of tasks. Sprint execution. Dedicate a specific time frame for your sprint, which can be a week or any other duration that works for you. During the sprint, focus on completing the tasks you planned. Use time-boxing techniques to stay focused and limit distractions. Daily stand-ups. Conduct brief daily stand-up meetings with yourself. Reflect on what you accomplished the previous day, what you plan to achieve that day, and any challenges or roadblocks you may be facing. Use this opportunity for self-accountability and reflection. Sprint review and retrospective. At the end of each sprint, review the tasks you completed and assess your progress towards your goals. Celebrate your achievements and reflect on what went well and what could be improved. Use this feedback to adapt and refine your approach for future sprints. By applying Scrum principles to personal excellence, we can enhance our productivity, maintain focus, and achieve our goals more effectively. Let's summarize the step-by-step method for applying Scrum for personal excellence and growth. 1. Set clear and measurable goals. 2. Create a backlog of actionable tasks. 3. Prioritize and plan your sprints. 4. Execute your sprint tasks with focus. 5. Conduct daily stand-ups for self-reflection and accountability. 6. Review and reflect on your progress at the end of each sprint. That wraps up today's video on applying Scrum for personal excellence and growth. We hope you found this step-by-step method helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. As always, feel free to leave your questions and comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy Scrumming for personal excellence!